Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how to do a high puff on your natural hair. Actually washed my hair yesterday and put it in this braids, so it will I'll get it a little bit straight. If this video sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like videos like this one, and turn on your notification bell so anytime I post a new video you'll be the first to be notified. Without much ado, let's get into this video. First of all, I'll take down this that I have on my head. Guys, I'll just go ahead and comb my hair. Then, like you see, it's really easy to comb when you leave it in those little braids. To comb your hair, it makes it easy for you. If I just leave my hair like that without putting it in those braids, I would have been going through hair now just to comb my hair. I'll be applying this leave-in conditioner, a little bit of this, just to give it a little bit of moisture. I'll be doing two little braids at the corner, just so that my face doesn't look so flat. Okay guys, what you want to do is wrap everything in your hand, then use a rubber band to tie it. You want to just do a little braid on it, like make a big braid like what I'm doing, or you can make three little braids, but it doesn't really matter. The only thing that matters is you want to keep this aside. I'll be using a little bit of Eco Styler gel. And I'll be using this brush to brush it up. Like every time I put my head in a bun, it makes me laugh because it makes my face look so small. Now I'm just taking out the baby hairs. Like I'll just use this to tie it. Now I will let this sit. While it's sitting, I'll go ahead and do my makeup. Okay, I'm back guys. Now I'm done with my makeup. Okay guys, after this is all slicked down, I'll go ahead and do the braids at the corner. Then I'll be applying a little bit of edge control on that so it makes it look neat. Okay guys, this is the hair I'll be using. It's a drawstring high puff that I made. There'll be a link up here to the video on how I made this. I also put in some combs to help secure it to the hair. What I'll do now is spray it with a little bit of water, then I just try to fluff it out. Now I'll just go ahead and use the combs to attach it to my hair, just like I'm doing right now. After securing it with the combs, what I'll do is just pull the string and let it tight, and that would be just it. I'm just tying the string to get it all secured, and then I'm just fluffing that out. Like guys, check that out. Then I'll go ahead and use bobby pins to like finally do the final securing of this, so it's going nowhere. Like guys, this tie came all the way from 0 to 100. Okay guys, I went ahead and put this at the edge, like, yes. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell button at the corner, so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.